how to create a unique gifts emporium on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by showing you how you can create your account in the platform. So just open a new window and type Shopify, then click on the first result. Click on the first result again, then you'll proceed to the page of the platform. So just click on start free trial, then enter your email and you will have your account created and you will have your free 3 days trial. So here, after the 3 days trial, you can pay just $1 per month for the first 3 months. So this will be your dashboard. This is where you can control everything about your store. So here we have the home, we have the orders. This is where you can see all of your orders, your total orders, the ordered items over time, the returns, the fulfilled orders over time, the delivered orders as well. And here you have the products. It's where you can add new products or you can import products from other websites. Then we have the customers, the content analytics, and we have the online store. This is where we're going to change the design of our store. So first, let's see how it looks like right now. So this is our store and this is how it looks like. We have those sections. We have the home, the catalog, and the contact page. As you can see. So let's go back and let's start changing our store. So here, scroll down to go to the theme library, click on visit theme store to see if we can find a theme that is related to Unique Gifts Emporium store. So here, by scrolling down, we have 174 themes and most of them are paid themes. As you can see, this one is paid, this one is paid as well, this one as well. Let's just filter by free to see just the free themes. So here we have ride, it's about surfing boards, refresh, sense. We want to find something related to unique gifts. I think this one is pretty good for the unique gifts. Publisher, color book. Let's check craft. And scroll down, click on view demo store to see how it looks like before installing it. So here, this is how the theme looks like. Click on try theme and let's start installing it. We will just install it in our theme library. It will not be our current theme. We will still need to publish it in order to make it our current theme. So here, just give it a few seconds to be installed. Then we will make it our current theme. And scroll down, it's getting installed right now. Let's wait for it. Then we will click on publish to make it our current theme. So here, just click on publish and click on publish again. And here, it's now our current theme. So here, click on customize to start changing the design of it. So here, this is how it looks like. And in this platform, you can just choose what you'd like to change. Then just click on it and you will be able to change it in your list. So for example, if I wanted to change the announcement bar, just click on it and here in your list, you will be able to change it. So here we have the fourth scheme as the color of this announcement bar. You can change it to the third scheme, or we can just leave it at the fourth. And here we can turn the auto rotate announcements on. Let's go with 4 seconds. Then let's go back and let's change what's written inside the announcement. Let's go with 50% off. Today only. Like that. Then let's go back. And here click on add announcement to add another one, because we need 2 in order to make them rotate every 4 seconds. So here let's go with free shipping worldwide. I made a mistake in here. Free shipping worldwide, like that. And here, watch it now, it's going to rotate every 4 seconds, like that. Then let's proceed to change the header. Here we need to take the logo to this place in order to save this extra space that it's taking. So here let's change it from the top center to the middle left, like that. And let's go to the theme settings in order to install our logo. So here just click on logo, click on select image, and then choose the image of the logo from your desktop. And if you haven't created one yet, you can just type canva.com in your search, then choose the first page, the first result. You will find here a lot of logos examples. Then you can just take them and make some changes to it. Then you will have your logo to use in your store. So guys, I think you get the idea of the platform. Anything you'd like to change, just make sure to click on it. Then you will be able to change it in your left. For example, this header or the rich text, we can turn it to the left, the center, or the right, like that. We can also change the content alignment from left to right to center. And just make sure to click on save when you're done with the changes in order to save your work. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.